Okay, to begin with, this divided by this fraction on the end can be replaced with a multiply times its reciprocal. So if I go times, I can make this a u minus 2 divided by a u minus 3. Now we have a lot of factoring to do. Okay, so this is going to be a 2u and a u, a 3u and a u, a 2u and a u, and a 3u and a u. Now for the rest we're going to have to do that factoring technique. So let's start with the first one up here, 2u squared minus 5u minus 3. We're looking for two numbers whose product is 6 and whose difference is 5. So the product of 6, the difference is 5, so it must be 6 and 1 are the numbers. So then 2u squared minus 5u minus 3 can be rewritten, the product of 6 and 1 here. Let's see. Rewriting the middle term using 6 and 1, we have 2u squared minus 6u plus 1u minus 3. Minus 6u plus u is negative 5u. And now we can use factor by grouping to complete this process. Out of the first two terms, we can factor out a 2u times u minus 3, because 2u times u is 2u squared, 2u times negative 3, negative 6u. And then we can factor out a 1 times u minus 3 over here. So we get 2u plus 1 times u minus 3. So that's what goes up here, 2u plus 1 or u minus 3. One down, and there's a few more to go. Okay, let's do this again. Now let's go to the one down here. 3u squared minus 5u minus 2. Here the product is going to be 6, 3 times 2, and the difference is going to be 5. Anyway, so the numbers are 6 and 1. And so we rewrite the middle term using 6 and 1. So 3u squared minus 5u minus 2 is equal to 3u squared minus 6u plus u minus 2. The middle term is negative 6u plus u is negative 5u. Now factor by grouping will work. So we can factor out a 3u from the first two terms times u minus 2 plus 1 times u minus 2. So it's 3u plus 1 times u minus 2. That's how that one factors. 3u plus 1 u minus 2. Two more to go. The next one will be up here, so the product, in this case, the product is 3 times 1 is 3, and the difference is 2. So it's 3 and 1. Rewriting the middle term, that's equal to 3u squared minus 3u plus u minus 1. Using factor by grouping, this is 3u times u minus 1 plus 1 times u minus 1. So that's 3u plus 1 times u minus 1. So that's what goes up here, 3u plus 1 times u minus 1. One more to go. One more to go. And the product this time is 2 times 1 is 2, and the sum, instead of difference, this one is a sum, is 3. So So the numbers are 2 and 1. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Rewriting the middle term, you get 2u squared plus 3u plus 1 is equal to 2u squared plus 2u plus u plus 1. Using factor by grouping, you can factor out 2u out of the first two terms, leaving u plus 1. And here you can factor out 1 times u plus 1. So you get 2u plus 1 times u plus 1. So that's how that factors. 2u plus 1 times u plus 1. Now everything is factored, and all we have to do is cancel out all the common factors. There's a 2u plus 1 here, and a 2u plus 1 there. There's a u minus 3 here, and a u minus 3 here. There's a 3u plus 1 here, and a 3u plus 1 there. And there's a u minus 2 here, and a u minus 2 there. And so, we're left with u minus 1 over u plus 1. So this expression reduces all the way down to this simple expression.